Mike Bearden with the Southport, North Carolina Lions Club.
I'm Tim Parkman with the Lions Club of North Carolina.
Since 1978, we've purchased a boat and raffled it off for charity every year. All proceeds go to charity. We noticed a few years ago we were buying 80,000 tickets. We had a gigantic barrel. It was not big enough to properly mix up the tickets. We cut our tickets back to 10,000 and we got a small new barrel that hold all the tickets, but we still want to mix them up.
Here goes this highly scientific method.
So that everybody's ticket gets separated, doesn't get stuck to anybody else's. Again, if you have any questions, you can get in touch with us at southportlines.org. You can buy boat raffle tickets there also. We appreciate your support.
Thank you.